Hello everyone, my name is Oshmi Paul. I study in Nauvaliganj Mahavidyalaya, affiliated to the University of Calcutta. Today I am going to tell a story. The name of the story is Hemlata Choose Herself. Calcutta is a city of joy. Calcutta is a city of emotions. Calcutta is a city of passion, and also it is a dream city, and the city to fulfill that dream. But nowadays no one calls the beloved city Calcutta anymore. Everyone calls her Kolkata. So Hemlata Sen was born in Kolkata. She has a dream. She wants to fulfill that dream. But does that mean everyone's dream is fulfilled? Hemlata Sen was born in a middle class family. Her father was a very ordinary man, and her mother was a very calm and kind woman. Hemlata Sen's childhood was not a primrose path like children of her class usually had. Her mind was continuously preoccupied with the fear of losing. She thought that people close to her and might drift far away from her. She was the only daughter of her parents, but she could not even tell her parents what was on her mind. Hemlata was an introvert. She has difficulty in opening up her feeling. She hardly spoke to anyone about the fear that haunted her mind, and thus Hemlata's mind became a storehouse of repressed thoughts. Then Hemlata grew up, completed school, went to college, but still could not come out of her long-carried depression. She liked to dance. In all her fear and darkness, she tried to find peace in her dancing. In this way, when Hemlata was in the middle of college, a new man entered her life, with whom she wanted to spend her whole life, to whom she wanted to open her heart, whose hand she wanted in hers during the happy and painful moment of life. And Hemlata was going to start a new chapter of her life by holding his hand. But after she walked with him for a while, the man whom Hemlata loves her soul, trust with her heart, with whom she wove a myriad colorful dreams, left her hand without a warning, with just a brief heartbreaking intimation that Hemlata is unlucky for him, the barrier to his ambition, so he intended not to take the relationship further. After saying this, he left her life. Hemlata was broken, devastated. And after all this, Hemlata went to him and begged him to come back her life. But he did not listen to Hemlata at all. In fact, he insulted her in front of everyone and told her to forget him. After all this, Hemlata became sad and gloomy. Darkness overshadowed her like before she gathered up her broken pieces. Hemlata has changed a lot. She has learned to value herself. She decided she would live for herself. She decided she would open her mind, rejoice, love herself, and do whatever she likes. She decided she would move on, live each moment of life joyously, and spend time with those who value her. She decided she would overcome her fear and become a happier person. There are many other women like Hemlata who suffer from heartbreaks when betrayed in love. Do not let the break you. So just live for yourself. Love yourself. The whole world will live for you. The whole world will love you. Thank you.